Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Edu Seekers. I really hope that you all guys are happy and satisfied with the term 1 board result. Now it's time for us to tune our revision for term 2 board examinations, which are gonna start from April 26th this year. Okay, now let us see the easiest topic of grade 10 science, heredity and evolution. In this lecture, we are going to discuss few questions which are important for us in this chapter. So the first question is, write the scientific name of men and garden pea. We have to understand scientific name of men and garden pea. So it's very important to read the question here. So the answer is Pisum sativum is a scientific name of pea plant and Homo sapiens is a scientific name of men. The next question, where are genes located? We all know that the genes are structural unit of heredity and it's important for our body design. Now let us look into the answer. The basic functional unit of heredity are called genes. They are also the structural unit of heredity. As I have said before, they are located on chromosomes and their locations are called loci. Genes could be the sequence of DNA in some organisms and those of RNA in some others. And the next question is, no two individuals are absolutely alike in a population. Why? Seeing this question, we may get an idea that this question is of chapter 8, How do organisms reproduce? Yes, it is the similar question in that chapter 2, but here it also repeated. And the answer for this is, due to variations, no two individuals are absolutely alike in a population. Then the next question is, what are the chromosomes XY and XX known as? The answer is, XX are called autosomes whereas XY are called the sex chromosomes. Here XX is a chromosome pair which is there or present in a female body, whereas XY is also known as allosomes which is present in a male body. We should understand that the male is the only person who will decide the sex of the resulting baby, but not the female. You will be reading that a brief in a sex determination topic in your chapter. Next question is, variation is beneficial to the species but not necessarily for the individual. Give 3 reasons to justify it. This question is also the similar and repeated in one of the in-text questions in your chapter 8. So the answer is, variations can be beneficial or harmful according to the ecological needs of an organism. A variation is suitable for the particular needs is selected by nature in evolution. Thus, variations are necessary for the survival of the species. Guys, for you, the topic evolution is deleted this year. So, you guys are only having heredity in the whole chapter. But to the fact, evolution is also very interesting. If you got any time between, just go through it. Then, variation is important for the evolution of species. Variations are also beneficial to the species than individuals because survival will be difficult for a species under certain environmental conditions. Let us look into an example. If the water temperature is increased suddenly, the microorganisms living in the water will die soon. and some percentage will survive due to the heat withstanding capacity. Thus, if variations are not there, all the microorganisms would have been destroyed. So, from this example, we could conclude that variations are necessary to species but not necessarily for the individuals. So here is the next question. Raghu often taunts his wife for having only daughters and no son. As a student of biology, how will you convince Raghu that his wife has no role in giving birth to girls only? So guys, you give it a try and just answer the question in comment box. For you, I'll give you a hint. This question is directly related to the topic sex determination we have spoke earlier in this lecture alone. And this is for your more information or you to understand the topics clearly. So here are the 7 pairs of contrasting characters in a garden pea. So the 7 contrasting characters are color of the flower, position of the flower, color of the seed, shape of the seed, shape of the pod, color of the pod, height of the plant. Here in this table, you could find what is the dominant trait for the respective character as well as the recessive trait too. Please go through it. And the sex determination. I've been telling you about this in previous 2 slides, I guess. So this is also a very important topic for you guys to attempt the board examination. So please go through this. Here you can see XX is female and XY is male. Just recall what I have said in the previous slides. So quickly comment in the comment section what is XY chromosome called? It is called sex chromosome or allosomes. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this, please share, like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. And if you are not satisfied, just dislike it. Thank you.